In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate ConvertKit with Framer, a strategy that will seamlessly smoothen your work process. To kick off, one must first navigate their way to the Framer interface. This is where the primary part of our process will take place. Framer is an interactive design tool, and getting yourself comfortable with its layout is imperative. You can find this tool from your browser by typing in Framer and entering into its official website. Now that you have gotten the hang of the Framer site, the next step is to locate and click on the Insert functionality. You'll find this on the right side of your screen typically, inside the Components panel. The Insert option is the feature in Framer that allows you to add more components or design elements to your project. So go ahead and click on the Insert option. It's this simple act that initiates the whole process of integrating ConvertKit with Framer. As we move further, once you're inside the Insert panel, your next step is to locate and click on Form. This might seem a bit challenging for a first-time user, as the Insert panel has a slew of options. But looking for the option labeled Form will take you straight to it. Try to explore the panel at your own pace to understand the whole schematic better. Once you find Form, make sure to click on it. This is a crucial step, so take your time. Finally, we have reached the finale and the most exciting part of our process, integrating the kit. Navigate to where it states Select Kit. As soon as you click on that, you'll be given an array of different kits to choose from. Look for ConvertKit amongst the plethora of alternatives presented to you. Clicking on ConvertKit is basically initiating the integration process between ConvertKit and Framer. With one click, it gets selected. But your job isn't done quite yet. After selecting ConvertKit, all you need to do is drag and drop it for a successful installation. So, left-click on the ConvertKit button, keep holding suddenly, move it over to your work interface, and finally let go of the mouse button. As soon as you drop it, you've successfully integrated ConvertKit with Framer. This whole process adds more functionality to your Framer tool and aids in producing more productive and interactive designs. This was the step-by-step process for integrating ConvertKit with Framer. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. At the end of the day, it's your passion for learning and exploring that will make these tools even more fascinating. Happy designing!